Hey there, everybody. Robert Taylor with Wonderscape Creations, and in this one, I'm going to show you the um, example that I have here. There's nothing in here. I just want you guys to understand how an execution calculation works. Now, in the vast majority of cases, execution calculations are C++ only. I've exposed everything um, to Blueprint for you. That way, you're able to make execution calculations in Blueprint. That way, you don't have to use mine, um, and you can utilize your own. Um, Now, there will obviously also be times and instances in which you want to use mine, but you want to make changes. So I've made a child of my damage resistance execution. And if I come over here to the override, I have a bunch of places. So execute is where the damage is done specifically. But I have in here a bunch of specific locations that gives you several hooks to allow you to make the changes. So, I mean, this one right here, PvP versus PvE, called when damage is successfully calculated and about to be applied, modify damage after the mitigation, modify damage before crit calculation and mitigation, apply mitigation. So this allows you to change up my calculations to work however you want. Um, Another thing to note is because of the nature of execution calculations, the relevant attributes to capture cannot be dynamically set. All of this stuff is done it has to be done before runtime. So in order to use mine, that means you have to have all of them. As you can see, it's showing 200. It's because it's showing the 100 attributes for the target that's being hit and 100 attributes for the one doing the hitting. And that's what the settings were for, to allow this to be reduced to the actual number that is required. Additionally, there is the aspect of the fact that where was I going with this? Oh, yes. It can go up to the 150. It's just whatever you want it to be. I am looking for ways of minimizing this more. I very well may make a list in the settings where you choose which ones specifically get captured right there. That way it won't populate 200. It would only populate, say, 10 for each, so 20. That's just how this works with C++. If we jump into the settings real quick, I had it open over here, and we come down here and to here, if you mouse over it, I have the memory impact for you. Not per an instance, it's per the class. I've made sure that it's instanced. That everyone's using the same instance, not there being a million of them. Anyways, as you can see here, there's not a whole bunch of a memory impact, but I wanted you guys to have that kind of control. So that is what you need to know to understand that. Right-clicking, coming here to damage, you have the base damage execution and the damage resistance execution. Honestly, if we open this one up real quick, it looks very much similar here, except if we go to override, we're missing something here. There's only 5 override, whereas in this one, there's a 6th one. So it really isn't much to it. I will make sure that I have an actual legitimate example for you of an execution calculation so that you guys understand how the system works. That way, if you're wanting to make changes, you know how. But that is literally everything to do with attributes. So if there's anything that I actually missed, please make sure you let me know, and I will get a video written up on it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and look forward to the leveling and the class set of this series in the near future.